Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new video how to make egg burger at home in an easy way. All you need a few ingredients: tomatoes, onions round and thinly sliced as you can see, pepper, salt, eggs, burger buns, creamy mayonnaise, cheese spread or sliced cheese if you have, tomato sauce or ketchup. You can use hot and spicy tomato sauce if you like according to your taste, and it's optional. Now we shall see how to make the egg burger. We cut the buns into equal halves as you can see, slightly toast on medium flame and keep them aside. Next we fry the egg covered as shown in medium flame so that the egg gets cooked and boiled properly. You can add salt and pepper on the egg according to the taste. We make sure the buns are toasted so it doesn't become soggy. Now we are adding the salt and pepper. It's on slow fire. The yolk of the egg has to get cooked properly. So we are adding pepper now. And close it again. Other side. Now we turn the egg to the other side. Now we rub the mayonnaise on one side of the bun. Cover it properly, coat the one side of the bun with the mayonnaise. The other side we coat with the cheese spread. You can add cheese slice if you want, and it's optional. It's according to your taste and your like, just to give a different taste. Now after coating both the sides, we take the egg and add it on one side of the bun. On the other side, we add the sliced tomatoes and the sliced onions, as you see. Yes, here it is. Now we put tomato ketchup on the egg and now we close the bun. You can also add oregano or chili flakes according to your taste if you want more spices and flavored mixed into your burger. Here now the burger is ready, and which can be eaten with ketchup or mayo dip. The burger is about to being tasted, and it's really delicious. Such a lovely experience at home. I have used the plain mayonnaise. If you want, you can additionally use the flavored mayonnaise or the burger spreads that is available in the stores. Cabbage or lettuce leaves are also optional. These are just suggestions which can be tried as well. Make a burger at home in a simple and easy way with just a few available ingredients available at all supermarkets. Please do try at home and share your experience. Thank you for watching.